Kia ora, talofa, ni hao, and namaste. You are here with Ramil for a program called Te Wā Whānau. Te Wā Whānau is a program with some gambling harm awareness information as well as some beautiful songs. So today we have a different version of the program. We have a guest today, and guest is our caseworker Melanie Arcus. So Melanie is here with us today. And yes, she's going to provide her expertise and knowledge regarding gambling. So she's based in 41 Perry Street, Masterton, in Salvation Army Oasis. So let's welcome Mel first here. And welcome everyone to again this Friday in program called Te Wā Whānau. Welcome, Mel.
Oh, thank you for having me. It's nice to be here.
Thank you so much, Mel. And how is this morning for you?
Good. Although my daughter is a little sick this morning, so after the show I'll be heading home to look after her. But other than that, it's good. It's a bright sunny day, so that's always nice, right?
Yes,
to set a good mood, yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you for providing your time today, Mel. And it's really great to have you here. And welcome back all the guests and all the listeners who are listening 92.7 Community Access Radio today. And you are here with Ramil for a program called Te Wā Whānau. So we have a guest today, Melanie Arcus, with us. And so let's jump into the main topic today. And so after welcoming Melanie here, so let's introduce our audience by yourself. I know you very well, but still it's good to you if you introduce yourself. They want to know who you are, what you do, and yes, please.
Cool. So, my name is Melanie, and I'm relatively new to Oasis, Salvation Army Oasis. I've only been on board since December, as you know. Mm-hmm. So I still feel like I'm getting my feet under the desk in terms of like growing my knowledge about gambling. Mm-hmm. But it's absolutely a fascinating field to work in, and I'm really enjoying learning about gambling and also getting to meet local people and hearing their stories. Feels like a really big a privilege to be able to do that. So I'm really enjoying it, and obviously getting to work alongside you, so it's good.
Absolutely, it's great to have you on side, Mel, as well. And then so again, I'm repeating to our audience that if you have any gambling problem, please do not hesitate to contact us or me. Contact me or Mel. We are based in 41 Perry Street, Masterton, and you can contact us through email or through via phone or through our 0800 number. So our 0800 number is 0800 530 000. You can contact us anytime. So we are here to support you. And so today with Mel, before going ahead, let's play a nice song for all of you. And the name of the song, let me put one nice song. So what type of songs do you like, Mel?
Me? Oh my goodness. I probably like pop music. That sounds really probably corny for someone my age, doesn't it? But I do like, I guess, upbeat, quite positive music that I can dance to.
Oh.
What about you, Ramil? What do you like?
For me, it depends upon the circumstance.
Mood?
Mood. Exactly. Let's play this. This is beautiful Friday today, Good Friday. Let's play this song in this morning hours. Please enjoy this song, and I'll be back to you soon.
Like they do in Texas, please. Fold 'em, let 'em hit me, raise it, baby. knocked on his heart. I'll get him high, show him what I got. I'll get him high, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. I wanna roll with him, a hot pair we will be. A little gambling is fun when you're with me. Russian roulette is not the same without a gun. And baby, when it's love, if it's not rough, it isn't fun. I'll get him high, show him what I got. I'll get him high, show him what I got. Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. I won't tell you that I love you, kiss or hug you, 'cause I'm bluffing with my muffin. I'm not lying, I'm just stunning with my love glue gunning. Just like a chick in the casino, take your bank before I pay you out. I promise this promises. Check this hand 'cause I'm marvelous. Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Can't read my, no, he can't read my poker face. She's got no love, nobody. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Poker face, poker face.
Kia ora, talofa, nihawa, and namaste again. You are here with Ramil for a program called Te Wā Whānau. Te Wā Whānau is a program with some gambling harm awareness information as well as some musical fun. Hope you loved the music that I played recently. So we are here with Mel today. And Mel, just curious, tell our audience a little bit about your background, and you were into real estate also, I guess, and then your social work background and all those things. Can you share with us
How I came to be like where I am, is what you mean?
Yeah,
How
that's also
what led me to the job.
Yeah, and that's also, and where you grown up, your places, and how you came to Masterton, all those things. It would be interesting to know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, funnily enough, I grew up in Palmy, and when my husband grew up on a farm around here, and when he drove me to meet his parents the first time, I said, just so you know, I'll never move to Masterton, because I really wanted to live in a big city. And we've spent the majority of our married years in Masterton, funnily enough, so that's a bit of a running joke between the two of us. So have lived here on and off. We've travelled overseas and lived both in Auckland and Wellington, and then have been back in between times, and I've been back now for 2 years. And it's such a fantastic place to bring up children. We're so lucky to have such amazing schools here. And what led me to the job, so I mean, as you know, Ramil, I was a real estate agent when I was in Palmy, and before that I actually had a short stint as a radio journalist over in Palmy for about a year and a half.
Oh.
And so, so that was working on local news over there. And what else have I done? So, after I had done real estate and journalism, I ended up doing my undergrad in psychology and spent a little bit of time at Te Whareo Matarangi, which is the acute mental health ward down in Wellington Hospital. And when we moved back over here, I started my applied Masters of Social Work. So I've been working on that working locally. And now I'm here.
Good. That's good to know about your background, Mel. And then, yes, so you are grown up in Palmerston North. It's a beautiful city as well. Isn't it?
Yep. It is. Yeah, it's also a good place to bring up children, I think.
Thank you, Mel. And yes, so as per our program, so our audience like to know what is counseling.